Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. To change the straps on our watch, first we need to remove the old ones. And to do that, we need to grab our watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap we have this lever we can pull on. We have the one here and one here. And basically to remove the straps, you simply pull on the lever on one of the straps, and this will allow you to basically pull out the straps. Let me try to do it like this. And once you pull on it, it's quite tough to pull on, but once you pull on it like this, it will release the strap. Do the same for the other one, like this, and release the strap. Here we have our watch and our straps, and how this mechanism works is quite simple. Basically, you have pins on each side of the strap. We have a pin here, here. This one does nothing, it's just stationary, but the one with the lever next to it, basically you can retract it inside of the strap. And once you retract it, it releases from the hole on the watch right here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. There's a hole right here. It releases the pin from the hole, and it allows you to pull out the strap. Quite simple. One of the best solutions, to be honest, because it's easy to remove and easy to install. And once you have your new straps and you want to put them on, you grab your watch, grab the strap, you take the side further away from the lever, the opposite side of the lever, you insert it in the hole on the watch right here, like this. Then, oh my bad, once you insert the one side, come on, like this, okay, then you need to pull on the lever again to retract the pin on the other side, and then you need to align it with the hole on, and then you can release the pin and it will lock in and hold on. Same for the other one. So take a strap, insert it into a hole like this, then pull on the lever, align it and release it. Quite simple, quick, and very nice to work with. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.